Hello friends, welcome to Vidyut Tech. This is Sai Prakash. In this video, I would like to unbox Cruise Plus 2 kVA inverter of Luminous company. This is having volt ampere rating of 2 kVA and active power rating of 1680 watts. With this rating, you can load up to 6 lights, 6 fans and 2 TV. If you want to go with the more number of loads, then go with the higher volt ampere rating of the inverter. Friends, make sure that you have connected load less than the active power rating of the inverter. If you want to know the reason, please go through the previous video of EcoVolt Neo 1050 inverter of Luminous company in my channel. You can see the thumbnail on the screen or you can click on the I button. Friends, EcoVolt Neo 1050 inverter is the latest inverter in the Luminous company. Friends, this is specially designed for the heavy duty. So you can run AC, geyser, photocopier, etc. Based on your requirement, you can go with that. Friends, this is a sine wave inverter. So you can run your devices very safely with better performance and less noisy. Friends, as this is a sine wave inverter, you can use this in the cities, low voltage drop areas and low time power cuts. If you want to know the reason, please go to the previous video of sine wave inverter versus square wave inverter in my channel. You can see the thumbnail on the screen or you can click on the I button. Friends, you can select two battery types over here. Tubular, flat plate. If you have selected your battery as tubular, then go with the tubular. If you have selected your battery as flat plate, then go with the flat plate. Friends, you can select 3 charging currents over here: high, medium, low. Based on the battery capacity, you have to select the charging current, friends. If you have selected high capacity battery, then go with the high charging current. If you have selected low capacity battery, then go with the low charging current. Here comes the question, why I have to do that? Friends, if I have selected high charging current for low capacity battery, it is going to decrease the battery life. If I have selected low charging current for the high capacity battery, it is going to charge the battery slow. So make sure that one, friends. Friends, this is having warranty of 24 months and this is having DC voltage of 24 volts. That means this is the double battery inverter. You have to connect 2 batteries in the series, each of 12 volts. Friends, this is best suitable for shops, homes, banks, etc. Based on your requirement, you can go with that. Friends, this is having bypass mode like Zero series inverters. The advantage of having bypass mode is whenever the inverter is not working, the appliances that are connected to the inverter is not going to get the supply. At that moment, if you have kept in the bypass mode, then it is going to bypass the mains current to the equipment or appliances. That is the advantage of the bypass mode. Friends, for more details, please go to the link in the description below. Please follow me on the Instagram, friends. Friends, here you can see Luminous company Cruise Plus 2 kVA. This is the sinusoidal logo, friends. That means this is sine wave inverter. Performs best with luminous batteries. Heavy duty performance, extraordinary reliability. Here you can see the inverter, friends. Display indications will be like this. Key features: dual battery charging option for flat plate and tubular batteries. Battery charging commences even at as low as 120 volts mains voltage, that is input voltage. Very high load, cold start by the UPS. Miniature circuit breaker instead of fuse to protect load and equipment. 3 more battery charging option as per the battery capacity. Protections: short circuit, battery deep discharge, overload, over temperature, battery reverse polarity. It is going to protect from these. Here you can see the warranty of 24 months. That means 2 years, friends. Display indications: mains available, battery charging, UPS on, smart charge, low battery, overload, short circuit trip, no load shutdown. Coming to alarms: battery low pre-alarm, battery low, overload, no load shutdown, short circuit. It is going to alarm whenever this takes place. Friends, here you can see the manufacturing month and year. August 6, 2019. Lot number. Item: sine wave UPS. Model: Cruise Plus 2 kVA by 24 volts. That means this is double battery inverter, friends, as the voltage is 24 volts. 2 batteries should be connected in series, each of 12 volts. Dimensions: 280 cross 305 cross 280. In terms of length into width into height in mm. Voltage 230 volts and the frequency is of 50 Hz. Quantity 1 number. That means only one product will be available in this box. MRP: maximum retail price of 20,000. Manufactured by Luminous Power Technologies Private Limited. Here you can see the address, friends. For consumer complaints, contact customer care executive at Luminous Power Technologies Private Limited. Here you can see email ID, phone number. You can contact through any of this if you have queries or complaints. Friends, here you can see Luminous Company Cruise Plus 2 kVA. Now I am going to unbox this inverter, friends. Friends, this is the warranty card, user manual. Friends, here you can see Cruise Plus 2 kVA, power on and power off button. This is the display, friends. Okay, this is the front side of the inverter. Friends, this is the top side of the inverter. Here you can see select the battery charging selection switch as per below table. Battery capacity, switch selection, volt ampere rating. Based on the battery capacity, you have to select the charging current, friends. Okay, here you can see volt ampere rating also. Based on this table, you have to select. Friends, here you can see while connecting battery, correct polarity should be maintained. Okay, recommended battery 24 volts 12 cross 2. That means 2 batteries each of 12 volts connected in series. Battery range is 120 ampere hours to 240 ampere hours. Friends, this is the back side of the inverter. Friends, here you can see regulated and unregulated. If you want UPS mode, then go with the regulated. If you want eco mode, go with the unregulated. Okay. Here you have to remove covers for charging current and battery type selection. Charging current over here, friends, high, medium and low. Based on the capacity of the battery, you have to select the charging current. Here you can see battery type. Okay, tubular and flat plate. Already in the key features they have described tubular and flat plate only. So tubular and for the flat plate. Here you can see battery negative terminal and battery positive terminal over here. You can see the heat sink. It is going to control the temperature. Friends, they have given MCB. Rating of the MCB is 16 amperes. Friends, model Cruise Plus 2 kVA, input rated voltage 220 volts AC, rated current is of 12.91 amperes, frequency 50 Hz, single phase. Output rated voltage is of 220 volts AC, rated current is of 9.55 amperes, frequency 50 Hz with the tolerance of 0.5 Hz, single phase. Capacity 2 kVA, 1680 watts, that is active power. Operating temperature is of 0 to 45 degrees centigrade, DC bus voltage of 24 volts, 70 amperes. Friends, here you can see bypass on. Okay. We have to remove this after installation only, friends. Friends, here you can see 4 terminals. Line out, line in, neutral, earth. Neutral and earth is common for input and output, whereas line in for the input, line out for the output. Output 230 volts and the frequency is of 50 Hz. Nominal. Nominal means rated. Friends, for more details, please go to the link in the description below. Please follow me on the Instagram, friends. After knowing the detailed explanation of this product, I hope you don't hesitate to call to the number on the screen. If you want to buy this product or if you have any doubts regarding this product, please call to the number on the screen or you can WhatsApp also. 9966979707. Friends, if you have any feedback, please let me know, friends, so that it will boost my energy levels and make more interesting videos for you. If you want me to do review of other products, please let me know, friends, so that we will come up with that video. If you like the video, please do like, share and comment for the video and subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching the video, friends.